I'm back, bitches, with the haul. I got a big ass package from Addicted, and oh, don't show my address. Basically, I spent almost all my gift card I got for Christmas for vacation because I go in February. So I started trying this stuff on, and it's kind of slaying. So I'm gonna show y'all. Starting with this little mini dress. It's so freaking cute. I love this little ribbon, and it fits good. So slay, especially when I have like a really good tan up here. Gonna hit. Okay, I lowered you so you could see better. But next, I got this little green little girl. My cats are knocking shit off the tree. She literally like lodged herself in the tree, and that was not fun to get her out. But it's so cute. It has like this little, I don't know what it is, but I don't know what underwear to wear with this because I can't go commando. I'm too clumsy for that. Next, we got this blue crochet set. Is that the word? It has like a slit in the back so you can actually walk, which I appreciate. And it's so cute. But yeah, I feel like Addicted's the place to go for sets. Next, another set. Are we surprised at all? No. But I got this like lacy, flower rosy one. It's so cute, and it's one that I can wear around my parents and they're not gonna be like, Mallory, put clothes on. This is the last set, I think. I hope, because I feel really repetitive. But I got these little striped pajamas. They're supposed to be like this, but my waist is too small for that, so I have to roll it. But hopefully when I wash it, it doesn't look as baggy. I just spent the last 10 minutes trying to figure out how to tie this top, and I don't think this is how it goes, but whatever. I got this little tie top and then tiger lily tube top, but I'm wearing it as a skirt because it's cute, even though it's like really short on my butt. But like to the pool, it won't matter. I'm probably not gonna wear this to the pool. This is the last super dressy thing. I got this little satin lace dress thing. The back is for sure my favorite. I wish it was shorter, but everything's long on me because I'm literally 5'1" maybe. I haven't been measured in so long, but it's super cute for Valentine's Day. Even though I don't have a Valentine, I could just like walk around downtown Dallas until I find one. My FBI agent is getting a full show because I'm just stripping right in front of the camera, so that's something. But I just got this like crop top that actually fits me right here, finally. But this is the type of stuff I wear every day, so out of everything I bought, I'm probably gonna wear this the most. So this last thing I bought as a joke because it's really funny, but it says, "Warning, this bitch bites," with like flowers on it. And that's just so true because I do bite sometimes. But I think I'm gonna crop it because that'll be cuter, right? But yeah, that is my giant Addicted haul. If you want to know anything I bought, I have like the names right here of everything, so just comment. But my favorite things are for sure the green set and the little flower dress because that was so cute and it fits the best. But bye, bitches.